Feeling like I'm drowning in the same four walls, trying to smile but the silence calls. I keep my pain tucked under my sleeve. Say I'm fine so they're letting me breathe. I know the storm got something to teach, but it's hard to grow when the sun's out of reach. Every drop just hits a little too loud, but flowers don't bloom without the clouds. It always has to rain to grow your flowers. You just gotta cope through the hardest hours. Let it fall, don't fight the sky. You'll bloom again when the pain runs dry. It won't rain forever, even clouds get tired too. You need the stormy weather to see what roots can do. Yeah, I'm not okay right now, but I'm stronger than I knew. It won't rain forever, I'll bloom cause I made it through. Days blur out like watercolor stains, trying to paint peace over all my pain. Sometimes healing feels like losing ground, but that's how the strongest roots are found. I've been breaking, but I'm still growing. Even when the cracks start showing, the rain don't mean I'm losing sight. It's just how my soul learns life. It always has to rain to grow your flowers. You just gotta cope through the hardest hours. Don't rush the clouds, just let them cry. Every tear's a seed that'll reach the sky. It won't rain forever, even storms get tired too. You need the stormy weather to see what roots can do. Yeah, I'm not okay right now, but I'm stronger than I knew. It won't rain forever, I'll bloom cause I made it through. Rain, wash my fears away, leave the soil soft where I lay. Maybe pain's not here to stay, it's just showing me a brighter day. It won't rain forever.